Hello everyone and welcome back to DG Guru's video series, and in this video of ours we'll be learning how to change the DNS if you have purchased a domain name from Hostinger, and also how to install a WordPress from Hostinger's hPanel. Suppose you have purchased a domain name from Hostinger. So when you will be logging into your Hostinger's panel, you can see an interface something like this which is coming in front of you. Now, in order to change the DNS of the domain name in the Hostinger, you just simply need to click on the domain name. When you'd be clicking on the domain name, you'd be seeing the interface of name server 1 and name server 2, as you can see in front of me. So if you need to change the DNS of the domain name from Hostinger, you can change it from here. Now suppose if you want to install the WordPress from Hostinger only, so for that you need to go to the hosting option which is present on the menu bar. Just simply need to click on the hosting option. When you'll be clicking on the hosting option, you'll be finding few of the folders coming in front of you. As you can see, these are the two domain names which are present on my platform. So I want to install I want to install WordPress on this domain name. So let's just select the domain name. So when I've selected the domain name, now this option has came in front of me because I was having more than one domain name. In case if you're having a single domain name, probably you'd straight away land to this interface. Now when you have landed in this interface, you need to scroll down and you need to reach down to a platform where it is written auto installer. In case if you are installing the WordPress from any other service provider like HostGator, you must be in the cPanel. In cPanel, you need to search for Softaculous. Under Softaculous, you would be finding an option of WordPress as it is present in this. As you can see, the WordPress is appearing in front of me. Similarly, in Hostinger or in HostGator, you would be finding cPanel. Under cPanel, you would be finding this WordPress option as you can find out here. So in order to install the WordPress, you need to just click on the WordPress button and an option would be coming in front of you. Now in Hostinger, this space should be left blank, and in case of cPanel, there is also an option, that is if you are installing the domain name the WordPress from HostGator, then there would be an option again which would be present in front of your domain name in the name of subdirectory. So you need to keep that directory empty. There should be nothing written. Now out here you need to select a password and you need to give your site title. Once you have provided the site title and the password, you simply need to click on install, and then your WordPress will be installed and it will be appearing something like this in front of you. Once you've installed the WordPress, then you need to go down to your WordPress account, and from there you need to install the theme, plugins, and then you need to start creating the pages. So in the coming videos of mine, I'll be telling you all how to proceed further with installation of themes or plugins, and how with the help of one of the very beautiful theme named DV, you can install or you can make very good website. So stay tuned on these videos and stay learning. Thank you very much, and in case if you are having any query, kindly supply the query in the chat section so that I can make a video on it and resolve your queries. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.